Last time we talked about sharps and flats, whole step and half step, but let's dig a little bit deeper in this video. So there's a term called semitone, also known as half tone or half step. They all mean the same thing. They mean the next note below or above in the keyboard. Like G to G sharp, the distance is called a semitone. G sharp is a semitone above G. Similarly, G to G flat is also a semitone. G flat is a semitone below G. So most semitones involved a white note and a black note, but there are two places that don't, E to F and B to C. They do not consist of any sharps or flats, therefore we call them natural semitones. Besides semitone, we have tone as well. A tone, also known as whole tone or whole step, describes the distance between two semitones. Like C to C sharp is a semitone. C sharp to D is another semitone. Therefore, C to D is a tone. F to G is a tone. A to B is a tone. So C to D is a tone. D to E is a tone. E to F is a semitone. F to G is a tone. G to A is a tone. A to B is a tone. And B to C is a semitone. So tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Can you recognize any pattern from here? Yup, it's the major scale formula. So last, we have CND notes here. What should we add to make them a semitone apart? Yup, we add a flat next to the D and they become a semitone apart.